In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off email notifications for shared files in Google Drive. If your inbox is getting crowded with updates every time something changes in a shared file or folder, Google Drive gives you a quick way to reduce that noise. This setting is useful if you collaborate often and want to keep using shared files without receiving constant email alerts about activity. To begin, open Google Drive and go to your main home dashboard. This is the standard Drive view where you can see your files, folders, and navigation options. Starting from the home dashboard makes it easier to find the settings menu without getting lost in a specific document or folder. Once you're on the Google Drive home screen, look to the top right area of the page and click the gear icon. This is the settings shortcut, and it's where Google places general accounts and Drive preferences. If you don't immediately see it, give the top right section a quick scan near your profile area. After clicking the gear icon, a small menu will appear. From that menu, click Settings. This will open the full Google Drive settings page where you can manage different preferences related to your Drive experience. Take your time here because there are several categories and it's easy to click the wrong one if you move too quickly. On the settings page, look to the left-hand column and click Notifications. This section controls the kinds of emails and alerts Google Drive sends you. It's specifically designed for managing update-related communication, so this is where you'll make the change. Now find the checkbox for the option that says you want to get all updates about Google Drive items via email. Click the checkbox to uncheck it. Once it's unchecked, Google Drive will stop sending those email notifications for shared file updates. This is the key step that turns off the extra inbox alerts. After making the change, you can simply leave the settings page. In most cases, Google saves the update automatically, so you usually won't need to click a separate save button. If you want to confirm the setting worked, just look back at the checkbox and make sure it remains unchecked. That's all it takes. This is a simple but very helpful adjustment if you want a cleaner inbox while still working in shared Google Drive files. If you still need updates, remember that you can always check activity directly inside Drive instead of relying on email notifications.